Hello friends, this is Pankaj and you are watching AEM tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how you can change the language of the text within the dialog box. This is our English page and here I have this component which is hero component. So let me open the dialog box. Here you can see the text. This is the field label. This is image asset and here I have title. So these texts are in English language and I want to change this language in suppose I want to change it in Germany language. I mean German language or I can also change it in French language. So to achieve this, we can use internationalization. So let's see how you can change this language. So let me open the CXD console. Go to apps, go to our project, which is called training project, and here go to the components, and in the component go to the content. Here you can see we have the hero component, and this is a dialog box. And if I open this dialog box, you can see when we have file for the image and we have title. So in this field label, I want to change this text. I want to make this text available in different languages. So what I can do, I will create a IETN folder in this component. Just select this hero component and create a folder and name it I89. Click on OK. Now save it. And this folder, so this for the first step. Now in this folder, create one more folder and name it an ISO code of the language. I'm giving it EN for the English language. Save this. Now add two properties. Now here add the property mixin type. So click on mixin, click on plus sign. Here add as mix colon mix language. Click on OK, control save. So we have added one property mixin type as mix language and add one more property JCR colon language. Give it EN, which is a language code of English language. Add it. Now save it. Now right, this was the second step. Now right click on EN and create one node, and this node must be of type sling message entry, and name it. I'm naming it as hero.image. Click on OK. Now save it. Add one more node for the title. So create node again sling message entry, and I'm naming it as hero.title. Click on OK. Save it. Within the image, we have the text image asset. So I did image asset and name it as sling message. So this is our message, which is our text image asset, and same in the hero title. Add one property called sling message, and our text was title. Click on add. Now save this. Now create one more folder for German language. So copy this English language and paste here, and rename this to DE. DE is the language code for German language. Now change the JCR language from EN to DE. Save this, and in the hero image we have this text image asset, and we want this text in our German language. Go to the Google translation and here translate the text from English to German. So this is a German text for image asset. Copy this and paste here. Save this, and same as the title. Also translate this title. Its detail, and save this. Save this. So we got the two languages, English and GE, and we have two text, image asset and title. So to link these texts, we need to go to this text and here change the field label and give it a name of hero.image. Save this, and in the title give it a name of hero.title. So this is how you can map these key value. Save this. Now go back to English page. Let me open German page now. Go to the sides, click on German, click on OK. So in the English page, let's open a dialog box. You can see the English text has been reflected, and in the German page it should reflect German language. So if I open the dialog box, here you can see it is still reflecting English text. So this is not done. So to see this text in German language, you need to go to the permissions. So go to the localhost 4502. Here go to the tools and go to the security. Click on permissions. Here search for your user. Our user is admin, which is the default user. Search for it, click on enter. So this is our user. So double click here to select this and go to the preference and change the language to German and save this. So changes have been saved. Now refresh this page and now double click here to open a dialog box. So here you can see the text has been reflected in German language. So this is how you can make the text available in different language to the users who belong to different country using internationalization. Thank you friends. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe my channel, like this video and share this with your friends. Thanks again for watching.